this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford Maverick XL. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2-liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do have that nice 4K tow package. You got that tow hitch, got the nice Maverick logo right there, and of course, we have this nice sleek looking vehicle with heated door mirrors. And moving to the front here, we do have that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, plenty of door space. You got a 12-volt back here, little hook. You can fold this up for more storage underneath as well. Taking a look at the driver's side, now we can see here we do have manual seats, the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. You have your lights and trailer brake all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 15.5 kilometers. We do have a nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone, media, voice, all that fun stuff, volume mute, and cruise control. Looking at your screen here, you have your main screen, which has digital speedometer, which most people have it on, audio, phone, settings, your trip 1, fave apps, which includes your speedometer, you have fuel economy, comm screen, all that fun stuff. To my right, we have our parking brake, gear shift, drive modes, traction, auto stop, auto hold, plenty of storage with cup holders, more storage here, USB and USB-C with another 12-volt. For your drive modes, you do get normal, tow and haul, slippery, eco, and sport. To my right, we do have nice leather wrap center console with tons of storage. You got your climate controls just right there, storage in the glove compartment, and looking at our main screen here, you have your audio with devices connected, Wi-Fi-Hot Spot. For your audio, you do get Sirius XM capabilities, Bluetooth, all that fun stuff. You got your phone, apps, and settings. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RB58995, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.